This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing your Gacha PNGs into Flipaclip and arranging them into separate layers so you can animate parts independently. Once imported, set the project frame rate to 1224 FPS depending on desired smoothness, 12 for choppy charm, 24 for fluid motion. Make a reference layer for thumbnails and key poses. This speeds timing decisions. As you work, lock background layers and keep body parts grouped, because isolating motion now saves correction time later. You should block the major poses first: anticipation, action, and settle. Once those keyframes are in, enable onion skinning across 3-5 frames to see motion arcs and maintain consistent volume for limbs and hair. Then add in-betweens. Use 1-3 frames for snappy moves and more frames for slow holds, so easing feels natural. Make sure to adjust pivot points and layer parenting for rotations. This prevents wobble when you refine easing curves and secondary motion, like cloth. You finish by polishing with secondary motion and micro adjustments. Blinks, hair lag, and subtle prop overlap sell the action. Once smooth, render test exports as MP4 for color fidelity or GIF for sharing. Match the export FPS to your project FPS to avoid speed changes. If you see jitter or pops, double-check layer pivots, remove accidental extra frames, and reconfirm onion skin range and keyframe holds. This single troubleshooting step fixes most timing and alignment errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.